tutorial here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register for Progressive Insurance. So here you'll have to go to progressive.com and go to the login page. From going to the login page, you can actually skip logging in by making a payment or getting your ID card. But if you want to register, you'll have to register for an account here and redirect you to this page. So first, you will have to be found. So you'll have to have created an account. So they'll have to start matching you by the policy holder to your policy number. So this must be valid in their database or else you won't be able to have your Progressive account. So if you place random numbers like I will do right here and place a random actual last name, and let's do a random date of birth. So let's just go with 8.8.20. Why is it there? So let's just go 0223 and 2000. And then mailing zip code, we're gonna do 2900. So once it actually detects that you are part, you will be able to create an account and you're gonna have your Progressive Insurance account in no time. So this won't register because it's not the actual policy number, but basically that is how you register here in Progressive Insurance. So as you can see, it won't register. So basically, if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.